Salama, or hello, dear friends and supporters of House of Hope Madagascar. I'm Al Tatino, and I serve on the board for House of Hope Madagascar, USA. It's my privilege to bring you the latest update on the remarkable progress happening at our House of Hope Madagascar. Since our last update in April, the hard work of our construction team has been nothing short of inspiring. We're thrilled to report that the roof installation on the dormitory has begun, marking another significant milestone in our journey. Additionally, the exterior walls are now being skim-coated, bringing us one step closer to completion. But construction is just one aspect of the task at hand. Pastor Jean, as director of the House of Hope Madagascar, has been diligently organizing the training of our future staff. This week, 30 men and women have begun a 4-day training seminar, with 21 of them to be selected as full-time staff members in the coming weeks. And speaking of service, we're excited to share that several individuals have already committed to joining us on our upcoming mission trip to Madagascar. Your willingness to serve alongside us fills our hearts with gratitude. If you're still considering joining us this fall, please don't forget that the first down payment is due May 20th. As we continue to witness progress at the House of Hope Madagascar, we ask for your continued prayers and support. With each passing day, we draw closer to the moment when we'll welcome home 48 future leaders of Madagascar. Together, we're not just building structures, we're building hope, one brick, one child at a time. Thank you for your unwavering support. Together, we are truly making a difference for the hope of others.